I have monkey, I think, bridesmaid, and then yes, monkey is a bridesmaid, I made him that.
Oh god! Hey mom, you know, this kind of reminds me of like a goat when it dies. You know, like, hey mom, can I keep this goat? I'm sorry. I am such a terrible friend. I am so terrible. I am so sorry, Jack.
No, I like
Forgive me. Look, don't like me too much, right? Because my dick will look like, you know, one of those vanilla Hershey bar from like the back market of the 99 cent store.
Oh no.
You know, I wonder if someone ever went to YouTube and made a channel called The Wheeze. The Wheeze.
Oye, tú no sabes que yo puedo morir de la chingada ahora,
Yeah, keep choking on that little mess of Titan did from Kratos. Yeah, dude, I'm
I'm sick, you fuck.
And look at him. Oh, good. Let's come to a meet to put it to sell for, you know, KFC. Trust me, he's gonna be a good menu.
Motherfucker.
I'm proud of you. I love you. My cojones.
And we'll get a jacket.
I've been recording for like the past 25 minutes, and all we just going to squeeze.
Humongous hungalunga no.
Oh god.
Is also acceptable.
I just had my period. I mean, I swear to God. Wow, oh my God! No wonder you actually ate in your children. Look how chubby you are. Oh. Not too late for divorcing.
I'm gonna join somebody again, Jack. If you want to join, feel free to. I'm gonna die here if I stay here. You can join the world. It's a Friends Plus world.
Okay, Scooby-Doo.